the most powerful domestic milling machinery industry base. Committed to creating the most competitive mainstream high-efficiency large milling machine. Intelligent welding and accurate dynamic balance detection device fulfill the high-precision positioning requirements. Various optional milling rotors meet the differential requirements of all kinds of complex working conditions. Advanced intelligent processing and testing equipment can effectively guarantee the reliability of core performance of products, ensuring the best cutting performance of the whole machine. The largest production line of large milling machine in the industry, adhering to the gold standard of XCMG leading technology. Everlasting products. We spare no efforts to build the quality milling machine with closer user experience. XCMG milling machine has a variety of optional leveling devices available, which is easy to operate. The machine is competent for milling depth precision of various working conditions, such as fine cutting and deep milling. The open-type driving space can meet demands of different operators and provide better control experience. Simple operation, accurate display, and well-recognized interface. Superior system matching, strong power, high driving efficiency, stable milling and cutting, high material output, single-time big milling depth, high-strength milling operation. The conveyor of large swing angle can meet the feeding requirements of various complicated working conditions, accurate delivery, and good sealing. The energy-saving lighting system without dead angle guarantees effectively the safety of night construction and provides more construction plan options for users.